Joan walks alone on Sunday nights. Hair is black, dressed all in white. Says she likes to clear her mind. Leave her former self, leave her behind. Takes the world by storm, that swagger, it should be a crime. She captures every room, but you'll only steal your time. Wanna take her dancing, you just have to get in line. Never broke the rules, but you'll only steal your time. Life is such a riddle, always running in the middle of your hair blown. But you just find it funny, you don't seem too funny, you don't care, Joan. Walking with her eyes, talking to the flowers, teach them how to grow. What do you know? Won't you tell us, Joan? Sweet is hard, cuts like steel. Softly open something real. And with a dance she'll summon spring. She's my world, my everything. Takes the world by storm, that swagger, it should be a crime. She captures every room, but you'll only steal your time. Wanna take her dancing, you just have to get in line. Never broke the rules, but you'll only steal your time. Life is such a riddle, always swimming in the middle of your hair blown. But you just find it funny, you don't seem too funny, you don't care, Joan. Walking my forever's, talking to the flowers that you might have grown. Do you know? Would you tell us, Joan? She's the ink inside your pen that spells your deepest woes. She's the angel on your back that's screaming just gone. And when you lose yourself, she's turning over every stone. Glory has a name and her name is. Life is such a riddle.